Alright, welcome back to another awesome video, guys. In today's video we got a big white box. Now, I've seen some scary stuff on the side of this box. We're going to cross fingers and hope everything fits. Of course, I'm going to check online to make sure everything's kind of matching up and whatnot. But, this is super exciting, guys. So we do have a nice little warning label right over here. And we're really going to go ahead and cut into it. So starting off right over here, we have, first off, you guys could already tell by the thumbnail and title of the video, yes, air installation guide. So it's got a full-on guide right over here. Coilovers must be locked into place, Captain Obvious, then everything else will be there. But we're going to read this afterwards. Go ahead and check out some of these boxes. Now we're down to 4 mystery boxes, guys. I've never bought Air Ride. I could have gone along different ways for the new 2025 Civic Si. However, though, Air Ride is new to the channel. So welcome, Luffy. Hello. So we are going to install Air Ride onto the car. So let's crack open some of these boxes. We are greeted by bubble wrap, and this looks like to be our first Air Ride strut. So with some movie magic, let's get this unbagged. Bam, just like that, we got it unbagged. So I believe that these are just our struts. I think that the rest of everything else is gonna come in the mail. Pretty cool. It's a much different coilover setup than the Fiat. This piece is the one that kind of screws in and out to adjust the bag, and then this one right here is going to be the one that locks it in. So definitely it's something to learn. This is where the airline is going to be going into, so that looks pretty cool. Basically we'll learn along the way how to do everything, guys. Of course, even with the cambering down and everything. We got the rear bags, we got the rear struts. These are going to be pretty cool. Simple, just bolt on the top, bolt down the bottom. We're going to go ahead and check it out inside the car right now. Make sure they're 100% legit going to work on the car. And then, of course, you got the other front struts. So these are just our struts today. We're still going to be waiting for the air tank management and everything else. So we're going to go ahead and rip this thing open. Right off the bat, we are greeted with the horseshoe and the mount. So removing the whole box, now we're greeted with the big old tank. Honestly, guys, this is an aluminum tank. It literally weighs like 3 pounds. You would think it would weigh a lot more being a big old tank like this. But bag rider's tape. Alright, so now getting into the big kahuna. We have our Viair air compressor. So this is going to help put air into the tank. So this little guy right here is going to screw into one of these little holes over here. And then this power wire is going to connect to the battery. Basically, that's how the tank's going to get all the air to make the airbags go up and down. Digging more into this, now, looks like inside of here we have our, for optimal compressor performance, replace filter. Looks like this is an extra filter for the Viair, which is pretty cool. It also has some different grommets right over here to where you can attach different things to it, I believe. Right over here we have some tape, I believe, for the wires. This is nice soft Tessa tape. So this tape will kind of make it look like factory. Super amazing for that one. We have some hard mounting stuff. Looks like it has some washers. So if you wanted to install this into your like board or something like that, looks like they come with screws. Now here, bag rider's tank drain kit. I like the sound of that. Let's go ahead and crack this guy open. This looks like a spare hose, so it can leak extra air. We're going to figure everything out with the manual later on. We've got an abundant amount of hoses. Looks like right over here we have our manual setups. So these little toggles right here, they look pretty cool. Let's crack it open for you guys. One of these are going to be an inlet, one of these is going to be an outlet. So it'll raise air or push the air out. That's pretty cool. See this right here? It is coming with this little metal brace, which we are going to do something custom into the interior, so we're not damaging too much the inside. But this little piece is pretty cool, and like I said, these guys are going to fit right in, and it's going to snap right in, if anything, like so. All of them are going to fit right in there, and we're going to just attach all the hoses. So let's keep on unboxing. Looks like we have some T-splitters, so 2-in-1 fittings. We did order some more fittings just in case, so I have some more fittings to go along with this. We're going to have 2 inlet, 2 outlet. They're, they're all going to connect to the tank And looks like, oh yes, this is exciting. So this Teflon tape is going to prevent air from coming out. And they do have little bunt caps. So these little guys right over here will screw into these little ports right over here to stop air from leaking out. So going further into it, looks like we are supplied with a fair bit amount of open ones where the hoses will connect to it. And some little elbows, some other little hoses and everything, pretty cool. We do have, again, with this one right here, I believe this is for our tank. If I stand correctly with that one, we'll figure out along the way. We also have some supplies for the wires, a relay switch, which is really nice to prevent it from shorting. This is really good too, actually. When I install anybody's underglow, let's see here, it says Bag Rider's relay wiring kit with the fuse. Yeah, so when I'm installing any kind of underglow or anything crazy like that, I like to go ahead and go the extra mile and just install one of these fuses right here, because underglow does kill the car unless you have a fuse installed, and then from there you can take the fuse out and your underglow won't kill your car. Going more into this though, we have the Bag Rider's pressure switch. So we're not gonna have this installed, but we'll figure out where every wire is gonna go and all that stuff. As far as the kit goes, guys, I mean, it shows everything, all the connections and all that stuff. So it's a really cool done up kit from Bag Riders. Oh, I guess we'll get into the merch bag. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the merch bag. So we do have, what is this? Little white canister. Oh, we got another keychain. Oh, and the best part, why we paid so much money, for stickers. Shout out to Bag Riders. I didn't even know they were gonna send this, guys. Looks like we got some stickers, some mini stickers, some black and white stickers. That's super sick. And there's more. Oh snap! Looks like we got a Bag Riders t-shirt. And we got a Bag Riders plate. This is going to go on the Civic because why not? It's super sick. And honestly, when we install everything, guys, we're going to wear the Bag Rider shirt because why not? It's super sick. So, that's going to be it for the unboxing video, guys. I'll probably include a little bit of the teardown, but I want to go full in detail with everything, guys. So if anything, I'm probably going to do a full installation video that's going to be about 40 minutes, full detail, because this is a 2025 Honda Civic Si, and it is very similar to the older models, but just so you guys are able to do this yourself, there's not a lot of videos out there just yet, considering this car hasn't even came out until technically 2025. So that's going to be it for today's unboxing video. In the next video, guys, we're going to take the time out to go ahead and go full detail on how to install everything. So far right now, guys, it's pretty easy from looking at the struts. The front of it's going to be a bolt on the bottom and some other bolts on top, and the rear is going to be 2 bolts holding up the top hat and a bolt on the bottom. But we'll go through that in the next video, guys. So if anything, make sure to subscribe, comment down below on this video if you enjoyed this unboxing video a little more into detail. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below. And as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.